starting from the top, it just tells you that a quarter has a value of 25 cents. It's just stating the standard fact. When we move on to the next one, you will see that I highlighted Texas. And the reason I highlighted Texas is because that lets me know that that is the back of a quarter. So right here, you would notice that it's telling you to count by 25s. And then these are 2 dimes right here. So it's telling you to then count on by 10s. And these are pennies, so you're counting by ones. So basically the point of this is to count on. And when I say count on, I mean we're not going to say 25, 25, 10, 10, 1, 1. We're going to say 25, 50, 60, 70, 71, and 72. So let's just stop right there before we do the 3 at the bottom and talk about that. To count money faster, you can use the technique of counting on. And that's eventually what we want to do. So one of the easiest ways to do this, I'm going to break it down if you're still confused, is to label. So I know that this is a quarter and it's worth 25 cents. I know that this is a quarter, so I'm going to write 25 on top. This is a dime and it's worth 10 cents. It's the back of a dime. I have a penny and I have another penny. So I wrote the values on top. So basically what you're going to do in order to count on is to say 25 plus 25 plus 10 plus another 10 plus 1 and then plus 1. And it's going to give you the answer. And that's basically what they did for you down here. We started off with 25, and that's why we have 25 cents right here. So we have 25. Plus another 25 is 50. Plus a 10 is 60. Plus another 10 is 70. Plus 1 is 71. And plus another 1 is 72. And that's why the total value is 72 cents. Y'all see I messed that up right there? I'm going to write it on the side. So let's write it the upper level way. Dollar sign, we have $0 and 72 cents. So let's go ahead and count on. That means to keep counting to do number 1. As you can see, they want us to write our answers with the cent sign, but I want you to make sure you write it the second grade way and this way. So we're going to label, label, label. We have 25. They're both quarters. I know that this is a quarter because it has an eagle on the back, and then it says $quarter at the bottom. So I'm first going to start off by starting with my first coin, which is basically just 25 cents. So at this point in time, I'm going to add another 25. So 25 plus another 25 will be 50 cents. And that's why my total value is 50 cents. So I write my dollar sign and I have $0 and 50 cents. Let's move on to number 2. I want you to grab your highlighter and I want you to take note that this one says California. So that is the back of a quarter because it has a state on it. Okay. This one right here is the back of the dime because it has the torch and the 2 olive branches. So you have to make sure that you're prepared when it comes to questions because they're going to show you the front of the coin and the back of the coin. So I'm going to label 25, 25, 25, 10, and that's a penny. So it's 1. So I can just count by 25s right here. Like, do you notice that all of these are quarters? So I can say 25, 50, 75. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to say 25 cents plus another 25 is 50. Plus another 25 is 75 cents. 75 plus 10 is 85. 85 plus 1 is 86. So my answer is 86 cents. Or I can write it with a dollar sign. I have $0 and I have 86 amount in coins, change, however you want to call it. Let's look at number 3. So this is a quarter because that's 25. There's an eagle on the back right here. So that's a quarter. It's 25. Right here we have Thomas Jefferson. So that is a nickel. And a nickel is only worth 5 cents. And then we have the penny. And I know that this is a penny because it's the back of the pennies. And look, they tried to trick us because they put the 2 different versions. But right here we see the Lincoln Memorial, and right here we see the Union Shield. But we know it's a penny because they both say 1 cent. So they tried to trick us up there, but that's okay. We are aware what they're trying to do. So now it's time to count on. I have 25 cents plus this 25 is 50 cents. Plus this nickel is 55 cents. Plus a penny is 56 cents. Plus another penny is 57 cents. So the total value is 57 cents. And I will write that with a dollar sign. I have $0 and I have 57 cents in change.